Hi, I'm Mike Doggett with Windermere Real Estate Citigroup. And if you've been waiting for a property like this, 35 acres, set up for horses, livestock, or just peace and quiet, you've come to the right place. 35 acres, fully set up and ready to go. As you come in, you're surrounded by privacy, mature trees, and the kind of space that's getting harder and harder to find. And then it opens up. Fully fenced and cross-fenced, the round pen already in place, ready for horses or livestock from day one. Private back deck with hot tub, multiple outbuildings, large pet enclosure, fenced garden, and a fully functional setup ready to go. And then there's the game changer, 40 by 48 shop. "35 acres, fully fenced and ready, a home, a shop, and a setup that's hard to find and even harder to recreate." If you're ready for space, privacy, and a property that's truly set up, let's connect and make this yours.